like a mighty queen. Come on with it. Come on without you wait.
This year, we're taking our live stream to greater heights. More cameras, more analysts, top-level commentary. We want to deliver a world-class experience to our online audience across Nairobi, across Kenya, across the world.
We don't have any particular star in the team that we'd want for anyone to look out for. You want all of you to look at the 13 who I'm sure can make the national team. And I'm sure we are proud of them, and I'm sure they'll deliver this coming weekend. We have a mix of experienced and rising stars, experienced players, and we have a couple of new players who will be there to showcase their talent this weekend.